Hello West Point Society leaders. On this video, we are going to teach you how to set up an event page using Sallyport online. Now, please keep in mind that you do need group administrator rights to create this event page. To get started, the first thing you're going to do is go to your group page and locate the events tab on the top of this page. This will take you to your events list. Now, please keep in mind you may not have any events set up yet, but if you go to the top right corner, click create a new event, and this will take you to a page where you will begin to create your event, starting with the title. For your event logo, please use the approved society logo because only approved logos are allowed to be used for any West Point Society events. You can also customize the banner cover picture to any picture that you may like. Next will be the description portion of your event, and you can put anything you want in here, including other website links, social media, food menus, directions, parking, etc. The toolbar up top can be used to format your description in any way. Next will be the date and time of your event, when it starts and when it finishes, and also the time zone, which does have a drop-down menu, so please click the correct time zone. Followed by the venue and address of your event. Now please keep in mind with the address, you will need to pick an address that is on the drop-down menu, so it will link to a correct map. If you just type it in and do not use this drop-down menu, the map feature on your event page will not work. Next, you will need some brief contact information for the organizer of the event. For the organizer, you can use the group society name, or you can use a specific person organizing the event, followed by their email and the best phone number to reach them at. Now, you can tag your event category based on what type of event it is. For instance, if it is a society event, you can tag society, or if it is a Founders Day event, you can also tag Founders Day. And these tags can be added or removed at any time. Only your related group will show up. That will never change. The next portion is the event publication section. You will need to publish your event for other users to see it, but you can make it private. If you put it as public, it will show on the global events list available for all Sallyport users to see. But if you are planning a private event, such as a society board meeting, you can choose to keep this event hidden from the global list and also not a public event only seen by those invited to the meeting. Also, please note that you do need to publish the event in order to download registrant rosters on Sallyport. In order to share this event page, please copy the link below, and you can share it to any social media you like or an email campaign. Please refrain from using the link up top in your web browser, as you may need to be signed in to fully view the event page. If you use the link copied below, this can be used by anybody. You do not need to be signed in. Scroll up and the next tab will be the registration tab, and this is where you can create tickets for your event. There are 3 different participation types. The first option, being none, means that you will not have any tickets to your event, that your event page will only have information regarding the event, but you will not be processing any tickets or registration through your Sallyport event page. The second type is RSVP. This allows for registrants to indicate whether they can or cannot make the event. The last participation type is tickets, where you can actually create different tickets for your event. This includes the total number of tickets for the event and how many tickets each user can purchase, as well as the ticket due date. Next, please click New Ticket, and this is where you will begin to create your first ticket. For example, I can make a ticket for society members only, and then create a price to it, and when the ticket can expire. Now, your purchasability settings will ensure that the tickets can either be purchased by any public user or privately by only users with a Sallyport account. For instance, a Founders Day event may have a private ticket for society members only, but it may have public tickets for those who do not yet have an account, such as a cadet recruit or their parents. Once you are done filling in the information, click Save, and you will now see your society member ticket listed. You can create as many tickets as you want for the event. Again, please keep in mind that you do not need to be logged in to access registration, but you will only be able to see public tickets and not the ones that are specific for user types like graduates. The next part is the registration form. This is to add any information you may need while they are purchasing their tickets. For instance, the number field, you could require a column number to associate with all previous graduates or alumni. The next portion entails your cancellation and refund policy. This is an optional feature including how many days the registrant has to cancel leading up to the event, as well as if you want to display the refund policy on your event page. Now, please note, as a group administrator, You will need to still go into Stripe to cancel out any event registration, as Sallyport does not do this automatically, so you are required to cancel the individual out of Stripe, and we encourage you to put someone's contact information to let the user know that they should notify you of any cancellation. Sallyport will not notify the group administrator of this cancellation. The user will just be removed from the report. The next tab up top is our Participants tab. All attendees that have registered for your event. You can display this list on your event page or keep it private. You can also export this list as an Excel file. The next tab on top is the Promote tab, which allows you to create a new email campaign for your event. We do go over email campaigns in another tutorial video, so please be sure to check out the Alumni Services Toolkit YouTube page. The next portion is our Custom Tabs page, which allows you to add additional tabs to your event page. To do so, please click Add a Tab, and for instance, if I wanted to create a parking tab, I can add a tab name, and then further design this tab. You can redirect this tab to a complete different website. You also can make it a public or private tab within your event page. The Design tab allows you to create content for this new tab, including any text, media, or hyperlinks. For instance, I can create a parking link and redirect it to Google Maps. Please go back to the Events tab on your group page, and you will see your new event listed. If it has a green icon, that means that the event page has been published. The last tab on your Events page is the Advanced tab, which allows you to create email templates for registration confirmation, cancellation emails. Once you are done creating your event, please click Preview to see how your event page will look online. As you can see, the event page shows the tickets you created, the extra parking tab that you created, and the description of the event. On the side, you will see the date and location for your event, as well as how to share it on social media and the contact information for the organizer. Below, it shows the refund policy. You can comment on the event page if it is a public event, and the map below pins where the location is of the event. One final thing, please go back to your event and click Report on the top right corner, and this will show you all your analytics for your event, including how many number of tickets have been sold, the amount that they have been sold for, and further ticket information for anybody who has purchased a registration ticket. All participants are listed and can be found on the Participants tab as well. All these reports can be exported as a Microsoft Excel file. If you go back to your group page and go to the Events tab, you will see your events list with any events you have created. A green icon means that the event has been published, and if you go next to where it says Unpublished, there is a drop-down menu to further edit your event. This is how you create an event on Sallyport online. Thank you.